fellow fungi fanatics. I've got something here to make you jealous. And it is my Laminar flow hood that I just got in from RootLab. Now, this is not a cheap device. It's to replace our cheap device, which is the still air tent that we've been using up till now. These are great, but they're not perfect. And I do still get contamination. So what is a Laminar flow hood? It's one of these things. Basically what it does is it filters the air, blows it out over your workspace in a laminar flow, which means it's all parallel, and it should blow any contaminants away. Well, at least that's what we're hoping. So first thing we're going to do is get it out of the box. I bought this one from my good friend Jay at RootLab. I hope you're pronouncing your name right there, Jay. It was not quite $1,000 delivered. It's a lot of money for the amount of mushrooms we grow, but I found mushroom growing is a really, really good hobby. Lots of fun. The box arrived all in good nick. It's well packed. Got these pretty little corner protectors. I hate to throw them away, but I don't know what I can use them for. If you've got any suggestions what I can use these for, let me know. Gee, I think I know something. Might be good for holding up pots in the corner. What do you reckon? Give me an idea of what we can do with this. So what we're going to do is unfold this. Pull out some of our foam. And stand it up. It's actually quite heavy. Right, up we go. Now, I want to keep the box to store it in because I can't keep it outside or in the shed because of the humidity, and the missus will kill me if I leave it in here. So we want to keep the box in good nick. There we go. Great unveiling. And there it is. This is the front, and we've got to protect this really well. We don't want any dents in the filter. It's a full HEPA filter in there, 600 by 600 mil. So it gives us a really nice work area. If we come around and have a look at the back, we have our pre-filter, fan system, our controls, and power. So this should take out most of the larger pieces and extend the life of our HEPA filter, which we can take off and clean quite easily. Just a couple of screws either side, we can take those off, clean the filter. We'll turn it around the correct way that we're going to be using it, and we'll power it on. On we go, low, medium, high. Okay, there's a fair bit of air blowing through. And not a gale out this side. The way these are meant to work is the fan builds up air pressure inside the box, and that then leaks out through the HEPA filter. I believe that having the fan on top is slightly better, so that's blowing down into the box rather than blowing directly through the filter, and that gives a more even flow. But I would guess, and it is only a guess, this has some baffles in it so that you can build pressure up inside the box for it to blow out. So why don't you come around and have a look at the workspace here at the front. And here it is here. It's quite a wide, tall space to be working in. We should get a nice column of air coming out here, and we want to work fairly close to it. Luckily, or not luckily, by good design, we've got a nice strong mesh over the front of the filter, so it's less likely we'll damage any of the HEPA filter leaves. So I'll probably have it a little bit further back, but we'll just check it out. One of the issues is we want a sterile environment. This is going to filter the airflow, so we're not going to get any contaminants flowing over here. But a wooden table is bad news. I have an answer. I went on Temu and I bought this. which is just a sheet of stainless steel with a little lip on it. It's 600mm wide, so it's right size for this. Tilt that back a bit. Get it in the center, roughly. And would you look at that? We've now got a stainless steel surface. We can spray this with our isopropyl alcohol, make it nice and sterile, and not worry about bugs coming up or contaminants coming up from our wooden table. One of the other things you'll notice is we've got a lip here, which means our airflow is about an inch or so above our workspace. But I also have a cure for that. You'll never guess where I went. I went to Temu and I got some of these plastic coated racks. And again, nice and easy to clean down with the isopropyl alcohol. It brings it up to a height suitable for being in the airflow. This one's not terribly strong, but I did get another one which is slightly smaller. But none of them very strong, but they should be okay just to hold things up in the airflow itself. So there we have it. I'm ready to go. We need to turn this on, leave it run for 20 minutes every single time we want to use it, just to clear the filter out and make sure the work area is clear. So I'm going to turn it on, leave it for 20 minutes, and then we'll do a video, separate one, on how we use this. And I've got lots of really interesting things to try out with this, including playing around with our petri dish agar plate propagation of mushroom spore. If you want to see that, like, subscribe, hit that bell icon, come back and see how we get on. Enjoy life. I'll catch you in the garden.